Hello and welcome to the CAD to PDF Publisher. With this feature, all your CAD drawings can be published to PDF from within 12D Synergy in a few simple clicks. Firstly, navigate to the DWGs you wish to publish to PDF. Now, select those DWGs, right-click, hover over CAD, and select Publish to PDF. This will open the CAD Publisher menu. Firstly, select your output folder and then choose your output type. Select single sheet files and then tick Add Source File. And now you're good to go. You can publish away. This publishing process will take around a minute. So for this video, we're going to fast forward real quickly. Okay, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner of that panel, the close button. That means the publish is complete. We'll press that and then go back to our PDF folder. And there you go. Your DWGs have now been successfully published.